Chola dynasty. When did formation of Chola dynasty? Also called as Imperial Chola dynasty due to the reason. After the decline of Sangama era, Sangama is the combination of three dynasties. The first dynasty Chola, the second dynasty Chera, and the third dynasty Pandya. After the decline of Sangama age or Sangama dynasty or Sangama age, the emerging Imperial Chola dynasty by Vijayalaya Chola. Imperial Chola dynasty emerged by or created by Vijayalaya Chola. What is the meaning of imperial? The major part of the south, including Sri Lanka, Srivijaya, Sri Lanka, Srivijaya, and other peninsula are surrounded by the Bay of Bengal, Hindu Ocean. Bay of Bengal, Hindu Ocean. This is called as Imperial Chola. This Imperial Chola constructed by this Imperial Chola prominent dynasty designed by, created by Vijayalaya Chola. What is the contribution of Chola dynasty to the Indian history, especially in South India? So what is the importance? Dynasty and the capital, founder, family founder, dynasty, capital, founder, the family founder, the first ruler, last ruler, great rulers, and the religion. Which religion followed by the Chola, and what is the period in South India, especially after decline of Sangama era? Language, official language, official language and regional language. Regional language also developed at the time of Chola. At the time of Chola dynasty, the regional language is Tamil. So the famous writer in Tamil, Kamban, wrote a book known as Tamil Ramayan. Tamil Ramayana wrote by Kamban. He was the famous poet in Chola dynasty. What is the evidences? Evidence. The major evidence gives information about the Chola. And what is the evidences? Clear? Simple. Dynasty, Chola dynasty, Imperial Chola dynasty. Chola, Imperial Chola. South India and power extended to Sri Lanka, and Malaya. Next, capital Tanjore, Urayur. The founder Vijayalaya Chola. And the main family founder Elara. The first ruler in Imperial Chola, Vijayalaya Chola. And the last ruler in Chola dynasty, Rajendra Chola 3 or third Rajendra Chola, the great ruler in Chola dynasty. Rajaraja 1 and Rajendra 1 and Parantaka 1. These are the three important rulers in the Chola dynasty and given the best contribution and extend their dynasty including Sri Lanka, Malaya and Sri Vijaya. What is the religion? Which religion followed by the Chola dynasty rulers? Which religion? Especially Vaidika religion. In the part of Vaidika, Shiva, Shaivism followed by the Chola rulers. Especially Rajaraja 1 and Rajendra 1 and Parantaka 1 always importance the worship of the Lord Shiva. Worship of the Lord Shiva or patronage of the Shaivism. Shaivism is the part of Vaidika religion in Chola dynasty. And also what is the period according to the historical sources like archaeological evidence like inscriptions. Based on the inscription sources, what is the period of Chola dynasty? AD 852 AD Anno Domini 1279. This is the period in South India ruled by Chola dynasty. The dynasty also called as Imperial Chola. And what is the official language of the Chola dynasty? Is Sanskrit. And regional language Tamil. Regional language Tamil. What is the evidences? The first evidence gives information about the Chola dynasty, accounts about the Chola dynasty, that is inscription. What is the inscription? The famous inscription gives information about the rural administration and village administration. How to establish Gram Sabha? What is the criteria of these members? Those members. What type of election conducted by the Cholas? In basic level of the administration, that is village administration. Information given by Uttar Merur. Uttar Merur inscription. This inscription constructed by Parantaka 1. He was the famous ruler in Chola dynasty and also took a title Madurai Konda. Who is the one? Parantaka 1 to construct Uttar Merur inscription. Simple. Uttar Merur inscription belongs to Parantaka 1. This inscription gives information about, accounts about village administration. And the second one, literary works. So number of books written at the time of Chola dynasty. The famous book wrote by Kamban. Kamban wrote a book known as Tamil Ramayan. Tamil Ramayan book wrote by Kamban. This book gives information about the society and the financial condition of the Chola dynasty. This book wrote by, who is the person? Kamban was the famous poet, belongs to the Chola dynasty. This is the overview of the Chola dynasty. Famous rulers in Chola dynasty. What type of administration followed? What is the political careers of the Chola rulers from Vijayalaya Chola to the last ruler Rajendra Chola? What is the importance? What is the contribution given to the Chola dynasty between 1850 to 1279 AD? The first Chola ruler Vijayalaya Chola. Vijayalaya Chola. The second one, Aditya Chola. third one Parantaka one. This next one Raja one, Rajendra one, and Kulotunga. Last one Rajendra 3. So these are the famous ruler belongs to Chola dynasty between 1850 AD to 1279 AD in especially South India or Dakshinapath. What is the importance of Vijayalaya Chola? What is the contribution of the Vijayalaya Chola to the Chola dynasty? What is the contribution? Vijayalaya Chola was the founder of the Chola dynasty. Who is one? Vijayalaya Chola. He was the founder of Imperial Chola dynasty after the decline of Sangama era. Who is the one? Vijayalaya Chola. And Aditya Chola, the famous personality in Aditya Chola period. Conflict began between Chola versus Pallava dynasty. At the time, Pallava dynasty last ruler Aparajita Varma defeated by Aditya Chola. Aditya Chola defeated the Pallava last ruler Aparajita Varma. Finally, Pallava dynasty merged in Chola dynasty. Pallava dynasty one of the part in Chola dynasty at the time of the ruler in Chola, Aditya Chola. And the Parantaka, he was a great first ruler in Chola dynasty and attacked on Pandya dynasty. Finally, conflict began between Pandya versus Parantaka one. In this controversy, Parantaka attacked on Pandya and captured Madurai from Pandya. Madurai was the capital city of Pandya dynasty. This capital city occupied by the Parantaka one. That's why it took a title Madurai Kondan. This is the title of Parantaka one due to the reason he was the only Chola ruler to conquer Madurai from the Pandya rulers. So that's why it took a title Madurai Kondan. And also Uttaramerur inscription constructed by Parantaka one. Uttaramerur inscription belongs to Parantaka one. This is the only inscription. The total information about the village administration in Chola dynasty. Chola dynasty famous for the village administration. Nowadays Indian government also followed local government system. This information derived from Chola dynasty in Indian history. Simple. So that Uttaramerur inscription to belong to Parantaka 1. Uttaramerur inscription. Uttaramerur inscription. And Rajaraja one, he was the second greatest ruler in Chola dynasty. What is the contribution of Rajaraja one? He was the first personality in Chola dynasty. Attacked on Sri Lanka and captured the north part of Sri Lanka and given a name to the north part of Sri Lanka, Mummadi Cholapuram. And also, who is the one? Rajaraja one. And also, he was a great builder in Chola dynasty to construct Brihadishwara temple. Rajarajeshwara temple. Brihadishwaralaya temple constructed by Rajaraja one in Thanjavur. Rajendra one, he was the son of Rajaraja one. He was the third greatest ruler in Chola dynasty and the first ruler to conquer north part of India up to Ganga river. up to Ganga river. And also finally Ganga, Bengal ruler Mahipala defeated by Rajendra Varma. Mahipala defeated by Rajendra Varma. So in this situation, Rajendra Varma took a title Gangai Konda. What is the meaning before? What is the meaning behind Gangai Konda? Title taken by Rajendra Varma. In the period of Rajendra Varma I, Chola dynasty extended up to Ganga river. That's why took a title Gangai Konda and constructed Gangai Konda Cholapuram. And also one Shivalaya temple, one Shiva temple constructed in Gangai Konda Cholapuram. Who is the one? Rajendra one. And also the total place of Ceylon and nowadays called as Sri Lanka, captured by Rajendra one. And Kulatunga Chola in this period, Chola Chalukya era started, or Chola Chalukya era began at the time of Kulatunga. And his father belongs to Chola dynasty, mother belongs to Chalukya family member. That's why he was the first personality in Chola dynasty to started Chola Chalukya era in Chola dynasty. Who is the one? Kulatunga one. Rajendra III, according to historical sources, he was the last ruler in Chola dynasty. Who is the one? Rajendra Chola. Finally, Rajendra Chola III defeated by Pandya rulers. At the time, Pandya ruler, who is the one? Jatavarma Sundara Pandya. At the time of Rajendra III period, controversy or conflict began between Pandya versus Chola. In this conflict, Rajendra III defeated by Pandya ruler Jatavarma Sundara Pandya. Finally, Chola dynasty merged in Pandya dynasty. This is the political history from Vijayalaya Chola versus Rajendra III. Simple. Vijayalaya Chola was the founder of Chola dynasty. How to making of imperial Chola dynasty by Vijayalaya Chola. Before making of imperial dynasty in South India, he was a ruler in small city Raya Mattakuni. Raya Mattakuni, one of the smallest region in Tamil Nadu. This region ruled by Vijayalaya Chola, and also construct a goddess temple Nidumbasudi goddess Nidumbasudi temple constructed by Vijayalaya Chola. On the name of Nidumbasudi, Vijayalaya Chola decided and extended his dynasty the large part of South India, and power extended up to or influence extended up to Sri Lanka, Malaya and Sri Vijaya. So this region called as Imperial Chola. So according to the historical sources, the founder of Imperial Chola, who is the one? Vijayalaya Chola. And also Vijayalaya Chola captured Tanjore city from Vijayalaya Chola captured and occupied Tanjore city from Muttarayar dynasty. It is a small dynasty, Samantas of Pallavas. Who? Muttarayar dynasty was there, one of the Samantas of Pallava dynasty. Finally, Vijayalaya Chola, under the blessing of Nidumbasudi, goddess Nidumbasudi, finally he was captured Tanjore or occupied Tanjore city from Muttarayar dynasty. This is the first capital of Chola dynasty. Who? That is Tanjore. And After the succession of Vijayalaya Chola, Aditya Chola appointed as a ruler in Chola dynasty. What is the importance of the Aditya Chola? In this period, controversy began between or conflict began between Pallava versus Chola. The Pallava last ruler Aparajita Varma defeated by Aditya Chola. Aditya Chola defeated Aparajita Varma. Aparajita Varma was the last ruler in Pallava dynasty. Finally, Pallava dynasty in the part of Chola dynasty. At the time, the ruler in Chola, Aditya Chola. And also Parantakavan. What is the importance of the Parantakavan? What is the contribution of the Parantakavan? What is the contribution of the Parantakavan? Parantakavan involved in Takkolam war. The Chola ruler Parantakavan involved in Takkola war against to Rashtrakuta. At the time, Rashtrakuta ruler Krishna III. Finally, controversy began between or war began between Parantakavan versus Krishna III. In this war, Parantaka won defeated by Krishna III. In Takkola war in the year of AD 949. In the year of 949, Takkola war began between Chola versus Rashtrakuta dynasty. So this is the political background of Vijayalaya Chola and Aditya Chola and Parantaka Chola, and given best contribution to the Chola dynasty and constructed a inscription known as Uttarameru inscription. What is the importance of Uttarameru inscription? Which information about the village administration in Chola according to Uttarameru inscription belongs to Parantaka 1.